Alright, Land Outdoor viewers. This is my new bona fide RS 117 kayak, and I like it. So I've never paddled a kayak before, but this one's like super easy to go fast in and to turn. So I think it's pretty good. And even got Ellie out here today while Dad's on the bank. Ellie, she's getting a new kayak because she paddled. Dad's around a little bit yesterday, and yesterday's videos, the one that you guys seen the fish in, probably gonna go in the same clip as this. But I like this kayak. It has two little foot pegs that you can see down there. And there's a dry storage area right here. You can put, I forget what these little tracks are called, but they're pretty nice. I watch YouTube videos and people like mount stuff to them. But I like it. I have 3 fishing poles. It comes with 2 fishing pole holders, rod holders, mounted into it from the get-go in the back behind me that you'll see later on. And yeah, I like it. But we're gonna go over here, me and Ellie, try to get on some more bass like yesterday. This is part 2 or day 2 of the same video that you guys seen. I'll get back to you when I got a fish on. Guys, just caught this freaking fatty up here. Throwing the Kraken claw that I got in a Mr. Tackle Box. In a Mr. Tackle Box video, you guys probably seen me do a couple years ago. Gosh, this is my first fish of the year, and I'm so excited. I've missed 3 fish today, and yeah. Oh. Let's go. Guys, just got another one. Second one today. Also second one for me this year. Is probably, let's see. Yeah, fish will measure. Lift it up, lift it up. Nice, Ellie. Well, guys, switched over to get Ellie on some gills. And within probably 30 seconds, I think, 30 seconds, she catches this nice one. You want to hold it? No? Alright. You do want to hold it? I'm going to give it to Ellie so she can release it. Ellie is on a roll. This is a bigger one. Good job, Ellie. It's number 3 for you. I don't know if we got the last one on camera, but I hope we did. They're so mad they just want to hold on to it. Not today, little guy.
I feel like I should give him a little bit of a worm.
No. He can find his own worm. Let's put him out in between the kayak.
I don't want to.
Alright. Just toss it out then. It's tree pounder if I ever seen one. Tree pounder. Oh yeah. I don't know why Dad put such a tiny hook on there for you. Nice pretty little gilly. Caught by yours truly, Ellie. Smooth release. Smooth release. Guys, just caught this mondo out here on that Kraken crawl. Same thing I was using yesterday. This guy's an absolute chunk. Oh, barely hooked him too. Getting a picture. Oh my. I'm gonna go ahead and measure my, can you hold my rod, Ellie? Get that out of my way. Measure them on this bending branches kayak pole I have. A little built-in tape measure. Don't have them down yet. Is that 15 and a half? He's only 15 and a half. Dude, he's a chunk though. Let's get, oh, my one yesterday was longer, but I don't think he was this fat. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead after you get a couple pictures with this guy. Put him back in that crystal clear water. Oh, and he's off. That's awesome.